Today we're on Gough Street in East Baltimore, where gas construction just completed an internal liner job on 30-inch cast iron main for around 2,000 feet. The main was constructed in 1877, which is nearly 150 years old. While this pipeline has provided safe and reliable service to Baltimore City since nearly the end of the Civil War, cast iron main becomes brittle over time and more prone to leaks, especially where the pipe segments join together. Trenchless lining renews the existing gas main without the need for replacement. It is safer, it's also more cost-effective for a customer and less disruptive to the community. The main is temporarily removed from service, opened up at several access points, cleaned and prepared for the liner. A contractor that specializes in trenchless pipeline renewal uses special machinery to blow a cured-in-place lining into the pipe, much like a balloon. The result is a resilient lining that can extend the life of the pipeline by as many as 100 years. While this main has been in service for nearly 150 years, the new liner will provide safe and reliable service for our customers of Baltimore City for the next century.